Hey there, Tasty. I was hoping I'd run into you. You're so fun to toss around. Got my essay ready. For the sake of my diet, I certainly hope you do. I've been trying to slim down. It would be a shame to have to add you to my waistline just because you decided to be a disobedient pet. It's due tomorrow, by the way. Ah, beautiful. Just send the document to my phone and I'll have a look at it. Nuh-uh, where do you think you're going? No, you're gonna stay right here until I'm done. Had to make sure you're not trying to cut any corners.